Everyone thinks discipline looks like waking up at 4 a.m. and working out until you collapse. Truth? It looks a lot more like brushing your teeth. Repetitive, boring, quiet. But it's that boring rhythm that separates the people who get results from the ones who just chase hype. We've been sold a lie that if we're not fired up, we can't take action. But the most disciplined people don't wait for motivation. They build systems and then follow those systems, whether they feel like it or not. That's the secret. Discipline is less about intensity, more about identity. You don't need to go hard. You need to go again. Start thinking of discipline like brushing your teeth. You don't need to hype yourself up to do it. You just do it because it's part of who you are. It's not exciting. It's not even difficult. It's just normal. A habit built into your identity. When you remove emotion from the equation, you remove resistance too. Here are 3 boring but powerful rules to live by to stay disciplined. 1. The 10-minute rule. Pick something you've been avoiding. Set a timer for 10 minutes. Start. You'll do more than you think, because starting is the hardest part. 2. The same time rule. Pick one habit. Do it at the same time every day. Don't aim for perfection. Just create rhythm. 3. The finish line habit. End every work session by planning the next first step. That way, when tomorrow comes, you know exactly where to start. Now let me give you a practical application. Try this. Choose one thing you've been putting off. Forget motivation. Set a 10-minute timer. Do it no matter how small, and do it again tomorrow. Consistency compounds. It's not sexy, but it's powerful. You don't need to be extreme. You just need to be boringly consistent. Motivation fades, but boring habits build real momentum. Start small, stick with it, and if this helped, share it with someone chasing motivation but stuck, because maybe what they really need is boredom.